Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing the motherboard in your Lenovo Yoga laptop. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. This will help you avoid any static damage to the components. Start by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any accidental power-up during the process. Next, carefully remove the back cover by unscrewing all the screws. Keep track of each screw, as they may be different lengths. Using the plastic spudger, gently pry open the back cover. If you have trouble, remember to be patient, you don't want to crack the casing. Once you have access to the internal components, it's a good idea to clean the area. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that might have accumulated inside. This ensures better airflow and can prevent overheating issues in the future. Now, locate the existing motherboard. You will see multiple connectors and screws securing it in place. Take a moment to note where each connector goes. If you're unsure, snapping a quick photo can be very helpful for reassembly later. Begin disconnecting all the cables attached to the motherboard. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, remove the screws securing the motherboard to the chassis. Carefully lift the motherboard out, being mindful of any attached components, like the Wi-Fi card or the cooling fan. Once the motherboard is free, take a moment to compare it with your new one. Ensure that all the ports and connections match up. If you've purchased a replacement, make sure it's compatible with your specific Lenovo Yoga model. Now, it's time to install the new motherboard. Place it into the chassis, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Again, if you're unsure about the process or don't have the time, consider our service where you can schedule pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel needed, just a quick quote before repair. Reconnect all the cables to the new motherboard, ensuring they're seated properly. This is crucial for the laptop to function correctly. Once everything is connected, double-check your work. It's always better to take a little extra time now than to find a loose cable later. Before sealing the back cover, reinsert the battery and power on the laptop to test if everything is working correctly. If it turns on without issues, you can proceed to replace the back cover. If not, double-check your connections. Once satisfied, screw the back cover back in place. Finally, clean up your workspace and dispose of any packaging responsibly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motherboard in your Lenovo Yoga laptop. If you feel this process is too daunting, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We're here to help with a quote before repair and can handle the entire process for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.